Hello and welcome. Today we're going to create a cue for Moody Trombones, which sounds like this. Firstly, you're going to think of some chords and a tempo. I've used A minor, G sharp minor and D minor at 110 BPM. A nice little chromatic movement always sounds moody and tense. Grab yourself some pizzicato celli to outline the chords in arpeggio style on the beat so you've got something to work with. Now, duplicate that to pizzicato bass and drop them an octave. Next, we need the stars of the show, Moody Trombones. Use a longs patch and play them in using close triads to get a nice full sound. To finish things off, let's add high violins 1 and then copy that down to violins 2 an octave lower. And add the violas, playing the third of each chord. Job done. Have a nice cup of tea to celebrate. I hope you found that useful. A like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.